Now the next asana, which is Vakrasana, we are going for the twisting of your spine. Twisting, it doesn't happen just twisting a spine. There are a lot of organs which get engaged when we twist properly. When it get engaged, there is detoxification, purification process happen inside you. So how to do this Vakrasana? It's very important to do with the right alignment and the right direction. So sitting in both legs straight is in Danda Asana. Now from here you can fold your left leg and keeping your feet close to your hips. This. Now from here you can take this foot next to your knee, the left knee. And when you keep it here, make sure your spine is straight. Yes. And look front. Now there is two ways to holding this posture and twisting back, or else one with inhalation and exhalation, and twist and look back. In this direction also we can do that. So holding and this thing, but make sure your spine is straight and twisting nicely, and stay there for the 10 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Make sure when you twist, your spine is straight. Straight twist, straight twist, straight twist, and hold. So this is how you have to twist it. The next part which we're gonna do, other side, which you have to keep it your right foot next to the hips, other foot other side, and twisting your spine, and with inhalation bring the other hand, which is your right hand, and exhalation. So I'll show you from the front so that you could able to do that. This part with inhale and exhale and twisting nicely. This twist which actually squeeze all the organs, your spleen, pancreas, liver. That's wonderful. Yeah. Straight chest, twist, straight chest and twist, and hold for the 10 count. Once you could able to be there for the 10 count, and come back slowly and relax. So this is how we do that Vakrasana. Twisting is very important. When you go for the twisting, it is actually engaged a lot of internal organs, and that helps you to detoxify your organ. Thank you.